Namaste. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji completes 12 historic years in office. The nation has transformed from what experts called policy paralysis to a global powerhouse. Over these 12 years, the governance model changed from simple administration to absolute transformation. Let us talk about the world's largest welfare beneficiary system. The philosophy here has been Antyodaya, serving the last person in the queue. Through PM Awas Yojana, over 4 crore permanent concrete houses have been built for the poor. Under Jan Dhan Yojana, over 50 crore bank accounts were opened, completely eliminating the middlemen through direct benefit transfer. Add to that Ayushman Bharat, providing free health care up to 5 lakh rupees to over 55 crore citizens, and Ujjwala Yojana, which brought the smoke-free cooking to over 10 crore women. All these weren't just policies. They have transformed the daily lives of millions. Under PM Gati Shakti, India's infrastructure growth went into overdrive. Highways were built at a record pace of 30 to 40 kilometers per day. We have seen the launch of sleek Vande Bharat trains, a massive expansion of metro rails, and transformation of regional airports. Digitally, India has become a global case study. The Digital India revolution has turned the cash into clicks. Today, India accounts for nearly 46% of the world's real-time digital transactions. From a vegetable vendor to a luxury mall, UPI is a lifestyle. On economic front, India made a massive leap. In 2014, India was 11th largest economy in the world. But today, after structural reforms like GST, corporate tax overhaul, and the pushing of the Make in India initiative, India sits proudly as the 5th largest economy and rapidly racing towards top 3. Globally, India has become fiercely independent. From leading the G20 with absolute authority to handling the massive evacuations of its citizens during global conflicts. Today, India's passport holds unprecedented value. 12 years is a long time in politics, but for a nation of 1.4 billion people, it has become the building block for future. Now, the roadmap is very clear. A fully developed nation. Viksit Bharat by 2047. Jai Ho Modi, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.